This dish is very easy to cook and amazingly delicious. It's almost just cutting ingredients and putting them in the oven. This dish tastes rich and creamy, and the harmony between the creaminess and saltiness is just good. You will be satisfied with the soft onions and potatoes with the cream sauce. If there's salad and bread, that's a perfect meal. Today I will make one with cheese and one without cheese. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments. I hope you like it. Check the recipe and ingredients for your later use in the end of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss any Japanese home cooking in America. Ingredients: onion, potatoes, bacon, heavy whipping cream, salt, black pepper, and cheese as much as you want if you like. Alright, let's get started. At first, preheat oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice onions thinly. Get rid of the potato's eyes and peel the skin. Slice the potatoes thinly. Thinly cutting helps potatoes to be cooked faster. Bring a heat-resistant bowl or container. Make a layer with half of potatoes, onions, and bacons in the container. Place potatoes on the bottom, then place onions and put bacons on top. Then make another layer on top, potatoes on the bottom, and put onions, bacon on the top. Since my container is small, I divided all ingredients into two separated containers. If you have a big container, please use it. It would be nice to share the dish from the one container. Pour heavy whipping cream over the ingredients. Sprinkle a dash of salt and pepper. Since bacon is salty already, maybe you don't need too much salt. Heavy whipping cream and salt and pepper on one more container. Sprinkle cheese on top if you like. Since I have two separated containers today, I make one with cheese and one without cheese. Put it in the oven and cook to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until potatoes become soft enough. "30 minutes later." It's done when cheese is a little bit burned. You can see the bacons are crispy. This is just easy cooking. As you can see, you cut all ingredients and put them in the container and put them in the oven. Then wait for 30 minutes. That's it. Itadakimasu. When you dig it with the spoon, the creamy sauce comes out. With cheese, it's more creamy. I think I can eat this forever. If cheese is too much for you, I recommend the dish without cheese. It's less heavy and delicious. Let me know in the comments whether you prefer the one with cheese or without cheese. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. Finally, I put the recipe and ingredients again. This is the recipe in English. And the recipe in Japanese. Here is the ingredients. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またねー。